Yes, just solo.
That. Very good. Make the car go that much faster. Let's get you behind the passenger seat.
Thank you.
Of course, my friend.
How you doing?
I'm really well.
You can scan your QR code next to your left knee to get your reaction video. There's a camera right there that can record you.
All right.
Models, this is the fastest one that they offer. 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, 600 foot-pounds of torque. You ready?
Yes.
Launch sequence activated. 3, 2, 1.
What do you think?
It's worse than the F-150 Lightning.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. So as I already know, I'm in the first Mustang, like, you know, 4-door since 2020 unveilment. And, you know, yes, for 100% electrified, and so I always wanted to be in it. But, you know, I found out the Model Y is better than this one, not to offend your options.
Yep.
All right, but thank you for the ride, though.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Allô, ABN, je te paro, paro, paro. 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 Je te veux pas, j'ai passé l'âge pour être juste ta belle. Je veux pas de ton empathie, chérie, je veux pas du minimum, fais de